What's happening, y'all? Today we are taking a look at the basics of roofing insurance claims. If your roof has seen better days and you're about to file a roofing claim, let's take a look at how we can ensure that process goes smoothly. Let's get started. Step one, first things first, initial inspection. Take a look at your roof, see if there's any missing shingles, leaks, wear and tear, any of those things. Do that on the initial inspection. Step two, documentation. Go around the property, take photos of everything that happened initially after the storm. A little pro tip here, if you're to take videos during the storm to show those high winds, to show the trees falling over, to show the basketball hoop flying through the yard, maybe a trampoline from your neighbors came over, document that stuff. The more evidence you have, the better position you'll be in to get this claim approved. Step three, contact your insurance company, file the claim. Once you file the claim, send in all the documentation you already got to support your case. Step four, your insurance company probably will send a professional adjuster out to inspect the property. It's a good idea to have a roofing contractor there to help represent you. Step five, review and follow up. You're gonna receive a claim settlement offer from your insurance company. Review that document once you receive it, discuss it with your roofing contractor. Don't hesitate to reach back out to them, ask for clarification, make sure you're getting what you're owed. So that's it. You've got the basics to start your roofing claim. Remember, documentation and follow-up are key components of your claim. Clear communication between your contractor and insurance adjuster are gonna ensure things go smoothly. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It helps us keep bringing you this great roofing content. Thanks for watching. TSM Roofing, we got you covered.